Many people think that a horseshoe is just an iron on the leg. In fact, for a horse, the saddle is an important protector that helps them stay strong, comfortable, and safe while walking or running. Today, we're going to look at the process of replacing a horseshoe plug in person, from removing an old one to installing a new one. The first step begins with cleaning the horse's feet of any dirt and debris that may have stuck to them. After that, the old plug is slowly removed using a special tool. This process should be done carefully so that the horse's nails are not damaged or cracked. Although it looks stressful, horses don't really feel pain as long as the work is done properly. After the old bridle is removed, a horse's nails will be trimmed. The already long part of the nail is cut off little by little to bring it back into balance. This stage is very important because the shape of uneven nails can affect how a horse walks. Next, the surface of the nail is scraped smooth so that the new plug can be perfectly installed. The new tarp is then adjusted to the size of a horse's leg. In some cases, the cast iron is preheated to make it easier to mold following a nail curve. Once they are the right size, the plug is attached using a special nail that goes through the outside of the nails. Don't worry, horses' nails are similar to human ones, so the process is painless for them. After the rivet is firmly attached, the tip of the nail is smoothed to make it safe and comfortable when used. The horse is then re-examined to ensure the saddle position has been balanced. With the new saddle, a horse's stride becomes more stable and protected from hard or rocky road surfaces. The process of replacing a horseshoe plug is not just about putting the iron on your feet, but it's also an important part of horse health care. It takes thoroughness, experience, and patience to keep a horse healthy and comfortable. See you at the next exciting process. Amidst the hustle and bustle of modern South Korea, artisans still maintain the art of meticulous handicraft. In this humble workshop, each leather bag is crafted not by automated machines, but by experienced hands who have mastered the art of leather craft for years. It all starts with selecting high-quality premium leather. Each piece of leather is handpicked to ensure its texture, thickness, and flexibility meet the highest standards. For them, leather is more than just a raw material. It's a living material that develops character over time. Once the material is selected, the artisans begin to create patterns with great precision. Every line is measured with meticulous detail, as even the slightest error can affect the final product. The cutting process is done manually. A sharp knife is moved slowly along the pattern, producing neat and precise cuts. There's no rushing here, because quality always takes precedence over production speed. Once all the pieces are cut, the assembly process begins. Each piece of leather is carefully assembled. The stitching holes are made using a special tool, then hand-stitched using high-quality thread. This traditional sewing technique requires incredible patience, as each stitch must be strong, neat, and consistently spaced. This is where the value of a handmade product truly shines through. No two bags are exactly alike. Each has a unique character born from the touch of human hands. The leather edges are then smoothed, using a burnishing technique to create a smooth, luxurious look. Following this, metal accessories such as buckles, zippers, and straps are precisely installed. Before entering the final stage, each bag undergoes a rigorous quality control process. Everything from the strength of the stitching and the shape of the bag to the smallest detail is meticulously examined. Because, for Korean craftspeople, a bag is more than just a fashion item. It's a symbol of quality, aesthetics, and dedication. In this era of mass production, handmade work remains irreplaceable. In a small and simple workshop, sparks begin to fly. What looks like ordinary steel will soon become a fully functional bicycle, built completely by hand. Every frame starts from raw metal pipes, carefully measured and cut with precision. There are no giant factory machines here. Only skill, patience, and years of experience. One by one, the steel tubes are aligned and welded together. Each connection must be strong, balanced, and accurate, because the strength of the bicycle depends on the perfection of its frame. After the welding process is complete, the rough metal surface is smoothed and cleaned by hand. The craftsman checks every angle carefully, making sure the frame is straight and safe to ride. Next comes the assembly process. The front fork, handlebars, pedals, gears, and braking system are installed piece by piece. Every small component plays an important role in creating a bicycle that is comfortable, stable, and durable. The wheels are fitted carefully and the chains are adjusted with precision. Slowly, the bicycle begins to take shape, from simple raw materials into something useful and ready for everyday life. Before the bicycle is finished, each part is tested once again. The brakes, wheel alignment, and riding balance are checked to ensure everything works perfectly. This is more than just metal and machinery. It is craftsmanship, a process built with hard work, dedication, and attention to detail. From a humble workshop to a bicycle ready to hit the road, built by hand, built with pride.